Apricots, one of my favorite fruits. Sweet as candy and so easy to eat. The other day my nephew Chabi, who lives in California, told me, Tiete, can you show me how to make a whistle with the pit of an apricot? So today I'm going to show you how to make a whistle with an apricot pit. Hey crazy truckers, if it's your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. My father taught me many things, some very important things, like always trying to be honest and do a good job. And other apparently less important things, like choosing fruit. When we were kids, my dad used to take me and my siblings for a walk in the forest on Sunday mornings. From time to time, we'd come across fruit trees such as fig trees that grew wild, or fields cared by some farmer friends with my father, who allowed us to pick a peach or an apricot to recover from the walk under the torrid summer sun. Here came the first lessons. If the tree has an owner, ask for permission before eating one of its fruit. If you can choose the fruit with a marking of being pecked by a bird. This may seem counterintuitive, but he reasoned. When it comes to picking fruit, birds know best. And last but not least, once you've eaten the apricot, don't throw away the pit. You can make a whistle and play with it. Once you've chosen the apricot, the bigger the better, take the pit and scratch it against an abrasive surface. My father taught us to do it against the facade of the house. It was made of concrete, but it wasn't painted. So maybe it's easier to take a piece of not very fine sandpaper so you don't have to spend 2 hours scratching. Scratch the part that was attached to the branch till approximately 25% of the pit is removed, creating a hole from which the seed is visible. Once this is done, you're pretty much through. With a thick wire or some slightly sharp tool, carefully remove the seed from inside the pit. Normally the seed is larger than the hole, so you will probably have to break it and remove it little by little. It's no big deal. By the way, don't eat it. I think I tried when I was a little kid and it was very bitter. When you've removed the seed, you already have a whistle. Making this video made me think about how was my father's childhood as a war orphan. I bet it wasn't easy. Who taught him how to make a whistle? I don't know. Most likely another kid. They probably were all very poor. I remember that he used to tell me how they made rag balls to play soccer, or other games children have been playing forever. My father, like my mother, sometimes got angry with me, and quite often, rightfully so. Our relationship wasn't always perfect, but I can never thank them enough for all the things they taught me. As always, thank you for watching all the way up to here. Share, subscribe, hit the like button and all that jazz if you think it was worth your time. And don't forget to leave your comments down below, especially if you disagree with anything I said. Smell you later.